For Abbotsford South.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. And I would like to begin by thanking my two honourable colleagues who have spoken to this motion with particular attention to Site C. Site C is more than just another public infrastructure project. It's a legacy project. It's a legacy project that will provide our province with clean, reliable, and cost-effective electricity for more than 100 years. Our government puts a strong emphasis on job creation for British Columbians, and one of the ways that's going to happen is through the building of Site C. But we're also focused on clean energy, conservation, and energy efficiency throughout the province. Honourable Speaker, British Columbia has one of the most ambitious conservation programs in North America. And just recently, a survey done by Cadmus Group ranked British Columbia 6th among 26 jurisdictions in North America surveyed. And that's well ahead of the only other jurisdiction in Canada surveyed. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about our commitment to clean energy and conservation. In 2010, our government introduced the Clean Energy Act, which requires BC Hydro to find 66% of any new need for generation from efficiency and conservation. And with that in mind, I'm proud to say that BC Hydro is on track to meet over 70% of all incremental new demand for electricity through conservation. Since 2003, BC Hydro has invested $1.3 billion in conservation, and that amounts to more than $100 million per year. And over the next 3 years, they will be investing another $375 million, and that amounts to $125 million per year. Honourable Speaker, we're proud of the work BC Hydro has done to ensure a greener, more efficient, and sustainable energy supply for our great province. I'd also like to talk for a minute about the ways in which our government has been pursuing energy-efficient and greenhouse gas reduction goals. For instance, we adopted the 2012 National Modeling Building Code amendments for energy efficiency in housing and small buildings. And in December 2014, new energy-efficient requirements for housing and small buildings came into effect. Since 2008, BC Hydro has provided financial support and expertise for 600 energy audits and 1,500 energy-efficient projects for major industrial customers. Also, since 2008, BC Hydro has funded more than 800 Power Smart projects for school districts, saving schools about $3.3 million per year. Our energy-efficient retrofits, our government, in partnership with BC Hydro and Fortis BC, offers programs that can help British Columbia homeowners, businesses, and industrial customers to find energy savings and reduce their electricity and gas bills. We have also provided $200,000 for the Innovation Clean Energy Fund to help sponsor and subsidize introductory or certification courses in passive housing, design, and construction for up to 400 qualified professionals. New buildings can now be designed to consume 80 to 90% less energy than conventional construction using passive housing design principles. In 2001, BC Hydro had energy purchase agreements with 23 clean energy projects either operating or coming online. That was 23. Now there are over 120. Private sector renewable energy projects supply about 25% of BC Hydro's electricity today, and that's an increase from just 4% in 2001. All of this is to say that this government has helped build and support the clean energy industry through clean energy-friendly policies and legislation. Honourable Speaker, clean energy projects have contributed to BC's economy for more than 20 years. We look forward to continued job creation through our province as a result of the construction of Site C. In closing, the people of this province can be rest assured that under the Liberal government, safe and sustainable clean energy projects that create high-paying jobs and allow our communities to grow and prosper
Thank you,
will
member.
be supported. Thank you, Honourable
Thank you, member.
Speaker.